Hi, my name's Larry Baker. I'm a lawyer. I was born in Rochester, New York, and I went to Franklin High School. From Franklin, I graduated and went to Bowling Green State University, which is located in Bowling Green, Ohio. I then attended Franklin Pierce Law School, which merged with the University of New Hampshire. And I graduated there in 1978, and my career as a lawyer began. When people come to you, they're looking for your advice and recommendation. And that's basically what it's all about. It's a one-on-one situation. And the most integral part of being an attorney when you're dealing with clients is personality. You have to mesh with somebody. They have to look at you, listen to you, and basically feel comfortable in what you are saying, and that you can get them the best situation that you possibly can get by explaining the law, explaining the facts, and being impartial. And that's very, very important. I always tell my clients that I am the general. I make the recommendations, I give you advice, and I tell you the best options and plan within which to go down. But the final decisions have to be made by the client. They're the ones that have to live with what the decision is, what the settlement is going to be. Practicing law has as much to do with your character, personality, and interpersonal relationship skills as knowing the law. Because if you can't relate to certain people, can't relate to certain things, you don't have the integrity, you don't have the technique to be able to try a case, to take it to its fruition, you're not going to succeed. You have to keep up. For example, in divorces and family law, you have to be totally on top of the ever-changing laws, the statutes, and the knowledge of how to negotiate and try a case. If you're doing this strictly because a client comes in and you need the money, you're not doing yourself, and more importantly, you're not doing your client a favor. Don't get me wrong. I don't think any attorney that's worth their weight in gold can do a case entirely by themselves. You always are going to need other feedback. You're going to need other opinions. You're going to have somebody look at a situation and see things that I may not pick up. So when you say sole practitioner, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm an island unto myself. It only means that I will do things as Lawrence Baker, but I will bring other input and other opinions into every case that I do. Yeah. Matrimonial law and family law has always been my primary area, but I've expanded because of my business acumen and my entrepreneurship. I know how to do anything related to businesses, anything to do with wills and trusts, closings. I do partnership agreements. I've been in partnerships before. I do landlord-tenant. I do anything that I've always done throughout these 36 years. I continue to do, and I do well.